Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands out as a true performance icon, offering a thrilling combination of Italian flair, exhilarating performance, and luxurious comfort. As the range-topping variant of the Giulia lineup, the Quadrifoglio embodies Alfa Romeo's racing heritage and passion for dynamic driving experiences. At the heart of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio lies a twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, producing a formidable 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive configuration, the Quadrifoglio delivers blistering acceleration and precise power delivery. With its advanced suspension system and carbon ceramic brakes, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers exceptional agility and precise handling, making it a joy to drive on both the road and the track. The Giulia Quadrifoglio's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its lightweight construction and aerodynamic design. The sedan's carbon fiber roof, hood, and active aero elements contribute to its nimble agility and stability at high speeds. The Quadrifoglio features Alfa Romeo's DNA Pro Drive Mode selector, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance characteristics to their preferences, whether they're seeking a spirited drive or a refined cruising experience. Visually, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio exudes a sense of sporty sophistication, with its sleek design and aggressive styling cues. Its exterior features a distinctive front grille, sculpted aerodynamic elements, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance capabilities. The Quadrifoglio rides on 19-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the Giulia Quadrifoglio's appearance, adding a touch of personalization. Inside the cabin, the Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a luxurious and driver-centric environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sports seats with Alcantara upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and carbon fiber trim accents. The Quadrifoglio is equipped with Alfa Romeo's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the Quadrifoglio offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and style in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the Quadrifoglio promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.